Hi to everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about correlation. So when we say correlation, we are correlating two variables if there is a relationship between of the two variable. Okay? So we're going to use the Pearson product moment correlation R. So we use this tool to determine if there is a relationship between the two variable. So the first variable is x and the second one is the y variable. So example, is there a relationship between the daily temperature and sales of the company MMM? So for the day 1, the temperature is 36 and the sales is 123,000. Day 2, 32 and their sales is 112. Day 3, the temperature is 34 and the sales is 120. Day 4, 30 degrees Celsius and the sales is 108. Day 5, 31 degrees Celsius and the sales is 111,000. Day 6, the degree Celsius is 32 and the sale in thousand is 115. Day 7, the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and their sales is 110,000. So we're going to determine if there is relationship between these two variable. We use the formula n times summation of xy minus summation of x times summation of y all over the square root of n times summation of x squared minus summation of x quantity squared times the quantity of n times summation of y squared minus summation of y quantity squared. So that's the formula that we are going to use. So we need the sum of xy, the sum of x, the sum of y, the sum of x squared, and the sum of y squared. So the value of x are this. So just simply, if we're going to take the sum of this, okay, the sum is 225. Next, the sum of y. Summation of y. So the sum of this is 799. Okay, we need a column for xy, the product of x and y. So x times y. Okay, so 36 times 123, that is 4,428. Next, 32 times 112, that is 3,584. Next, 34 times 120, that is 4,080. Next, 30 times 108, that is 3,240. Next, 31 times 111, that is 3,441. 32 times 115, that is 3,680. And last, 30 times 110, that is 3,300. So the sum of this, that will be the summation of xy, is equal to 25,753. So that is the sum of xy. Another column, we need also the square of x. So x square. So these are the values for x. So we need to square that. 36 square or 36 times 36, that is 1,296. Next, 32 squared or 32 times 32, 1,024. Next, 34 squared, that is 1,156. Next, 30 squared, that is 900. Next, 31 squared, 9,061. Okay, next, 32 squared, 1,024. And last, 30 squared, that is 900. So if we're going to take the sum of this, that will be the summation of x squared is equal to 7,261. And last column, we need also the y squared. So these are the values for y. We need to square this, each of this data. So 123 squared, that is 15,129. Next, 112 squared, that is 12,544. Next, 120 squared, 14,400. Next, 108 squared, that is 11,664. Okay, next, square of 111, that is 12,321. Next, square of 115, that will become 13,225. And last, square of 110, that is 12,100. Okay, so take the sum of this. We have 91,383. Okay, so that's the sum of y squared, summation of y squared. Okay, so we're going to use these values to solve the r. Okay. Let's substitute. So our n, so when we say n, number of pairs, so we have 7 pairs of data. 7 times summation of xy. So the summation of xy is 25,753. So this is the summation of xy minus summation of x. So we have 225 times summation of y is 799. So this one, summation of x, summation of y. Okay, so let's proceed in the denominator. Square root of our n is 7 times summation of x squared. Summation of x squared is 7,261. 7,261 minus summation of x 225 squared times 7 summation of y squared 91,383 minus summation of y. Summation of y is 799, but you need to square. Okay, so that's now the equation, or the, we need to simplify. Actually, we can easily find the values of this by typing in the calculator. You can use Desmos calculator. So the given is a fraction, so which is 7 times, the numerator is 25,753 minus summation of x 225 times 799 over, in the denominator, that is square root, so parenthesis 7 times 7,261 minus 225 squared. Times 7 times summation of y squared, that is 91,383 close, minus summation of y 799 squared. So that's the problem. Okay, just simply click enter So the answer is 0.975, or in decimal places that is 0.98. So that is now the value. So 0.98 in interpretation, that is very high positive correlation. Okay, so that's the way how are you going to compute correlation.